Okay, so the first briefing, official briefing there by the UP government where they've confirmed the death toll. 30 people unfortunately have died in the stampede at the Mahakumbh, 60 people injured. Now, of the 30, we understand that 28 bodies have been identified. 2 more, they're yet to identify. The post-mortem has been conducted. Now, the officials are also confirming that the stampede broke out as a result of people trying to break through the barricades, and that led to chaos. It led to this tragedy happening. And if that is the case, that the barricades at these akhadas were broken and the people were trying to push through, it obviously also raises question of what kind of preparations were done on the ground. Obviously raises questions about mismanagement. What was at one point thought to be about 10 deaths now unfortunately has risen up to 30 deaths in that stampede incident that broke out at 2 a.m. in the morning at the Mahakumbh. Now, not many questions really that the administration took, but they did appeal to everyone to maintain calm. They appealed to everyone to cooperate with the authorities as they continue to ensure that the Mahakumbh goes on smoothly. After the stampede, they did manage to bring back normalcy. But obviously, there will be questions about why the administration didn't foresee that something like this could happen. If you've got crores of devotees coming together and then you barricade them in one particular space, there would obviously be all chaos that breaks out. Several devotees tried to push through the barricades. You see those also in the images on our screens. And that's what led to the stampede breaking out, as everyone then tried to push through the barricades and make their way out of the restricted space that was given to them. 30 deaths have been reported, and we will also get details of those who've died, the devotees who've died. We understand that authorities have been able to identify about 28 of them, so the families have already been notified. Your heart goes out really to all the family members. These are families who touched down at the Mahakumbh, hoping for this to be an auspicious visit, to take the holy dip for the betterment of their loved ones, for the betterment of their families. So what's happened to them is heartbreaking. It's truly tragic. And 28 of those bodies have been identified. So the families have been informed that their loved ones are no more. And as we continue tracking the latest updates on this, we also now have a confirmation of the number of people who've been injured in the stampede, over 60 right now. We will also await some sort of details about the condition of these 60 injured, whether they're in a critical condition. But let's play out for you exactly what the district magistrate said when he confirmed that death toll.
मौनी अमावस्या का मुख्य स्नान पर्व था 29 जनवरी 2025 को। इसमें ब्रह्म मुहूर्त से पूर्व प्रातः 1 बजे से 2 बजे के मध्य पेला क्षेत्र में अखाड़ा मार्ग पर भारी भीड़ का दबाव बना और इस भीड़ के दबाव के कारण दूसरी ओर के बैरिकेड्स टूट गए और भीड़ के लोग बैरिकेड्स बांधकर दूसरी तरफ ब्रह्म मुहूर्त के स्नान का इंतजार कर रहे श्रद्धालुओं को कुचलना शुरू कर दिया। यद्यपि प्रशासन ने तत्काल राहत और बचाव कार्य करते हुए ग्रीन कॉरिडोर बनाया और एम्बुलेंस के माध्यम से लगभग 90 घायलों को अस्पताल तक पहुंचाया, परंतु इसमें से दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण तरीके से 30 श्रद्धालुओं की दुखद मृत्यु हो गई है।
Okay, so 30 deaths confirmed. Also, just to update that information that I put out earlier, 25 of those bodies have been identified. 5 remain unidentified right now. So we are, of course, awaiting those details. Important also to highlight here that while there was a lot of criticism coming the administration's way, saying that this was the result of VIP movement at the Kumbh, of ensuring that, VIPs got all the necessary space, and so the devotees were boxed up in one corner. You've got the administration saying that's not true. No VIP movement, no VIP protocol was put in place, and simply no VIPs were entertained for the day. So that's the administration setting the record straight on that particular claim that it was because of VIP movement that the stampede broke out. Nevertheless, there are questions that the administration must answer about why the devotees, when they were in such large numbers, were restricted to one particular area using barricades. And so the devotees, desperate to get out, started to push through. Kumar Abhishek is joining us with more details on that particular briefing. Very short briefing, Abhishek. Death toll, casualty figure कंफर्म हो गया। 30 डेथ्स हैव बीन रिपोर्टेड। पर जिन सवालों पे एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं कि क्या ये नेग्लिजेंस की वजह से था, क्या ये मिसमैनेजमेंट की वजह से था, उस पे कुछ आंसर्स नहीं मिला अब तक।
बिल्कुल, उस पर बहुत ज्यादा प्रशासन की तरफ से कोई जानकारी नहीं दी गई है, लेकिन ये जरूर खाली बताया गया कि 30 लोगों की मौत हुई है, कुल 90 लोग घायल हैं, 25 लोग की शिनाख्त हुई है, पहचान की गई है और 5 लोगों की डेड बॉडीज अभी तक उसकी पहचान नहीं हो पाई है। एक 1920 एक नंबर जारी किया गया है ताकि लोग अपने परिजनों के बारे में पता कर सकें, लेकिन क्या ये आंकड़ा इतने ही तक है या फिर ये आंकड़ा बढ़ेगा, ये भी एक बड़ा सवाल है। बहुत छोटा सा एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस हुआ, बहुत ब्रीफ प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस है और उस प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में इतना सिर्फ बताया गया है कि क्यों और कैसे ये घटना घटी है, लेकिन तैयारियों के बारे में या फिर किस तरीके से रोकने की कोशिश हुई, इसके बारे में बहुत ज्यादा जानकारी नहीं दी गई है। लेकिन अभी तक सरकार ने ये माना है, प्रशासन ने ये माना है कि 30 लोगों की मौत हुई है।
Unfortunate, really. 30 people have died. So many questions, as Kumar Abhishek also tells us, that remain unanswered about the circumstances in which the stampede broke out and accountability on the part of the administration. Thanks very much, Kumar Abhishek, for joining us with those details.